Hello there. This video will primarily speak about how we read words with the ch sound. Okay, especially the ch sound which comes at the end of the word and after our short vowels. Remember the rules. After the short vowel, you add the t, which is silent, before the ch sound. Okay, so come over. Let's blend and read. And I'm sure you remember your sound dots. Okay, so this is s, n, a. Snatch. Okay, so look for the position of your short vowel. After the short vowel, if the word ends with ch, then you write this. Okay, you write the sound which is silent before you write the ch. Okay, so that's a rule of your spelling as well. This is u, a, la, ch. Short vowel. After the short vowel, the ch sound, so you write t, which is silent. Our next word, k, r, ch. Short vowel. So after the short vowel, if it ends with the ch sound, write your t, which becomes silent. S, t, r, stretch. Okay, stretch. Remember, one dot, one dot, one dot, one dot. But this is one sound with a rule. What is our rule? If the word ends with the ch sound and has a short vowel preceding the ch sound, you will add the t. And this remains silent. Our next word, ich, itch. Same rule, short vowel. After that, write your t before the ch sound. S, w, e, switch, switch. Okay. F, fetch. Okay. So when we say fetch, short vowel ke baad the ch sound. So before the ch sound, write your t, and the t remains silent. Our next word for today, match. Match. Okay. Short vowel. Remember the rule. K, u, clutch. Clutch. Okay. Short vowel ends with the ch sound, so we write the t, which is silent. Our next word, hatch. Hatch. So if I'm writing the word hatch, I know the first two sounds, ha, and when I have to write the ch, do not forget to write this sound, and this is silent because the word ends with the ch sound but has a short vowel before the ch sound. So remember to add your t, which is silent. Pitch. Okay. Remember your rule. Catch. Ketchup. H. Two sounds, but how many letters do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 4 letters just making 2 sounds. That's why the sound dots is of utmost importance. Our last word, notch. So this word has 1, 2, 3 sounds denoted by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. But we all know our rule. So if the word ends with the ch sound and has a short vowel before it, I am sure I will add my t sound as well. And this goes silent, our rule for spellings. Hope you enjoyed the video.